Here is a question which states that which gate is best used as a basic comparator. The options are A, NOR, B, OR, C, XOR, and D, NAND. So we should understand the operations of each of the gates here. NOR operation is like A plus B bar. So it's like A plus B whole bar if A and B are the inputs. This is the NOR operation. OR operation is A or B. So this is just this like this. XOR operation is shown here, AB bar plus A bar B, and NAND operation is obviously A and B bar. So this is the NAND operation. Now these all operations, there you cannot do any kind of comparison of between A and B after getting the output. So if A and B are known, even after that, none of these gates give any output which can recognize whether A or B are equal, unequal, or greater than or lesser than. But in XOR gate, due to this function, we can understand that whenever A and B are unequal, only then this Y is 1, high. That is, if A is 0, then B has to be 1 to give Y as 1. And if A is 1, then B has to be 0 to give Y as 1. So in that case, this function can be best used for a basic comparator to compare A and B. Thus, the correct answer to the question is option C, XOR.